Hello friends, welcome to a video on general knowledge. Food that harms stomach. Answer B. Spicy foods. What affects the brain most? Answer A. Sugary drink. Which habits causes obesity? Answer D. Late night snacking. What is the most harmful to the heart? Answer C. Chips. Which drink damages the liver? Answer B. Energy drinks. What habit weakens bones over time? Answer A. Smoking. Which food quickly raises blood pressure? Answer C. Pickle. What causes insulin resistance? Answer D. Refined sugar. Which food is the richest natural source of vitamin C? Answer B. Oranges. What helps cleanse toxins from body? Answer A. Drink plenty of water. Which nutrient help muscles grow and repair? Answer B. Protein. Which cholesterol is known as good cholesterol? Answer C. HDL. What is the main role of carbohydrates in the body? Answer D. Provide energy. Which mineral needed for strong bones and teeth? Answer C. Calcium. Food that improves eyesight. Answer A. Carrots. Fruit boosts brain health. Answer C. Blueberries. Average heart rate while sleeping. Answer A. 50 to 60 bpm. Normal range of blood oxygen. Answer D. 95 to 100%. Normal body temperature of the humans. Answer C. 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Normal fasting blood sugar level. And answer is A. 70 to 99 mg per dl. Normal range of blood pressure. Answer D. 120 to 80 mmHg. What does sweat glands do? Answer B. Produce sweat. Which organ digests food? Answer D. Stomach. Which organ makes insulin? Answer A. Pancreas. Which hormones control blood sugar level? Answer A. Estrogen. Which organ cleans toxins from the body? Answer B. Liver. Which organ manages balance and movement? Answer D. Cerebellum. Which type of blood vessels carries oxygen-rich blood from the heart? Answer D. Arteries. Which organ absorbs nutrients? Answer C. Small intestine. Job of the platelets. Answer B. Help clot blood. Which organ enables breathing? Answer A. Lungs. Which organ regulates heart rates? Answer C. Heart. How many bones are there in an adult human? Answer D. 206. Which part of body grows faster? Answer A. Hair. Which part of the body doesn't burn on fire? Answer C. Teeth. What is the dirtiest part of the body? Answer B. Belly button. Largest internal organ in the body. Answer C. Liver. Which vitamins keeps the eyes healthy? Answer A. Vitamin A. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.